Hello guys, may hapon natin tanan dyan sa Pilipinas. Good afternoon and guys, we are here today in Brisbane. However, we are not that near the city, it's so far away, no? So pakita ko lang sa you guys, no, as we go farther north here in Australia. This is the fauna and the landscape, guys. So nagbago na, guys, no, as we go farther north. So medyo parang ano na siya, parang naging northern territory na siya, guys, no? Looks like that, but we are actually still part of Queensland at this point in time. Alright, so lalabas po tayo and we're just gonna go to the terminal just to see what's in there, because this is my first time in this part of the new cruise terminal here in Brisbane, guys. So medyo malayo talaga siya, guys, no? And ayan, wala tayong masyado makikita dito, guys, except the terminal and the surrounding landscape. So ayan, guys, no, medyo iba talaga yung landscape na dito. So alright, so medyo mainit na rin. Hello! Hi! Hey! So ayan, guys, this is the terminal. Yan po ang terminal natin. Alright, so pupunta tayo doon, guys, no? Kasi gusto din natin makita and at the same time avail of the internet. Alright, guys, so ayan, guys, maraming salamat masyado, guys, and titingnan lang natin, guys, wait, kasi you know, iba talaga pag hindi pa natin alam kung ano no yung itsura ng thank you anong itsura ng cruise terminal nila. So ayan, guys, ito pala. Alright, that's the booth over there sakaling mag-embark, and there goes the security. So hindi na tayo allowed on, guys, because we're not allowed to film. Alright, so ayan, guys, this is Brisbane's new cruise terminal and this is my first time here. So ayan, thank you very much for watching and hope to see you in Cairns. Going back to Cairns. Alright, bye. Thank you.